Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Yo, what is up, fam? It's the Cosmic here, and I am excited. I'm excited because today is day two. Day two of my option trading journey, and I am plus $300 off of 7. What? So, what did I do today? I traded Netflix. I bought one call at a $535 strike at 409. Multiply that by 100 is $409. And then I sold at $649.46, making myself $249 over 50%. What the hell is up? I love it. I love it, fam. Options are just so amazing to play. Now, let me kind of give you a little breakdown of what happened. So this morning there was news on Netflix, and I saw the news, and I was like, you know what? This is actually some pretty decent news. And it's, I mean, just right here, it's just, you know, they're expected to report earnings after close on July 16th. Awesome. I am going to be looking to play this again on Monday. I think it is a huge gap up, and I think it's a little overextended. It might need to be a put, but whoever knows. I don't know. All I know is I saw this thing gap up in the morning. I saw the unusual options activity on Benzinga Pro last night. I didn't play it because I was too worried about trying to get money off Wafu, and I actually lost 50 bucks. That's why I'm not playing stocks anymore. No more stocks unless it's 4 a.m. Unless it's pre-market, after-market, no more stocks. I'm strictly an option trader. So, whenever it started to run around 11:45, almost around noon time, it was sitting right here at 5:33, and I'm like, you know what? This thing is going to break out to 5:35. It's going to keep running for the rest of the day. It's Netflix. It's a powerhouse. Like, big boys are looking at this, and big boys are making money off this. And sure as hell enough, dude, it ran. And by God, did it run. I left a whole lot of money on the table. And whenever I say a whole lot of money, I mean, I sold at $650. I could have made over $1,000 off a $400 bet on one option call if I held for one more hour. 1 hour. Just wrap that around your mind. 1 hour, I could have made over $1,000. Didn't hold it because, you know, I didn't want to be greedy. I wanted to take my profits. I wanted to actually test the waters and see how this works. And now that I'm seeing these plays work, I mean, I left money here on the table for Netflix, and I left money on the table for Space for Virgin Galactic, SPCE, yesterday. And this is the play, man. You notice it. I mean, it moves just like all the other plays. It's breaking out on volume. Get an option. Holy shit, it ran. I wish I kept holding it. If you got an option at a 5:10 call strike this morning, or say, you know, 5:15, look. One of them, and you're sitting well over $39,000. Or $3,900, I'm sorry. Phenomenal games. I'll be working on it. I'll be making it better. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead and look at my other positions. Currently, I have a position in GLUU for $11 call strike. I honestly might dump this at the end of the day just to go ahead and pick up those gains, seeing if it can squeeze at the end of the day. Next, I have Uber at a $34 call strike for July 17th. I think it can get over to $34. I want it to, because right now I'm down 69 on it, but I'm not going to worry myself with that because it's Uber. It had news it tanked with the market today. XBA, I took a August 17th or 21st. Let's see here. All right, August 21st call sweep for 250. I mean, I'm in the money, but I'm down because I bought it. I mean, it's already in the money, but I think it's going to keep running. And then I have a Mark $3 call, which is down a whole fucking lot. I should honestly cut the losses, but I mean, it was one of my first options to play. I think Mark is overextended on the downside, and I do believe this stock, I mean, besides the management having piss poor investor relations, I think the stock has room to run based off of its fundamentals, at least within this next month. All they need to do is announce some contracts, but that is what it is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, fam. I just wanted to do this quick trade recap and showing you that options are amazing. I made 50% in 20 minutes. Forget what all these other gurus are teaching you about. Make 10%. Make 20% off these supernova spikes. No, fuck that. I want to make 1,000%. Because I could have. Or, I mean, at least 500%. I don't want small gains. Yes, you can call me greedy, but I want to make my money. I want to grow my account. I know these patterns. I see these patterns. I've grown my account straight up day trading, taking my 10%. 10% was an amazing gain for me. Not anymore. 50% is going to be my baseline. We'll see how it keeps going. I'm going to keep playing options. I just love it. Anyways, fam, thank you so much. And I'm going to put this at the end of my videos from now on. If I ever say anything against a stock that you are married to, well, shut the hell up, stop being a wine baby, and go suck an egg. These are my thoughts, these are my opinions, and if you don't want to listen to them, don't watch my videos. Straight up as that. Thank you so much, fam. I love you all. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.